G'day, Nathan here from SEQH, and joining me today I have our workshop manager Ben.
Hey guys, how are you?
Alright, so in this video today, what we'd like to explain and demonstrate is we got two of our Spec vehicles behind us, two Spec Utes. These started as plain Jane Utes, didn't they, Ben?
They started as plain Jane.
And then we had our workshop work on them in a very beautiful manner. And they've come up looking absolute $1 million bucks. But what we want to illustrate is what is the actual makeup of a Spec vehicle. Ben.
All right, well, what we start off with is a standard Ute, as you can see.
Yep.
What we do is we put all the reflective striping on the Ute.
Yep.
We put the wheel nut indicators on the Ute.
Yep.
So the drivers can see if the wheel nut is coming unloose.
Yep, that's a safety measure.
Safety measure. Inside the vehicle we have GPS tracking as well as IVMS, which records events.
Yep.
As in overspeeding, idle time,
Yep.
and all the rest of that kind of stuff.
Yep. Records who the driver is, wearing a seatbelt, all those small little facts there. So yeah, as Ben's highlighting, you see a lot of external features to make sure that when this vehicle is mobile on a site specific, a project site, it's clearly visible for other plant machinery and people.
And that's right. And we know, and we can also track with the IVMS system. We can track the kilometres, so we know when to service our vehicles.
Yep.
We can service them on time and schedule.
Yep. And if there's been any speeding offences or things like that, full visibility. So anyway, we better head off because these Utes are about to go out to a project site for the next run. But thanks for watching. Have a good day. See ya.
See you guys.
That's right.
Better.
Good.
Well done, mate.
Round two.